here's a breakdown of the best types of tables and why they are practical for portable pizza ovens. The stainless steel table is heat resistant, durable and easy to clean. It can handle the high temperatures of portable pizza ovens without warping or damage. Additionally, stainless steel is resistant to rust and corrosion, making it a great option for outdoor use. Any spills or debris from the pizza making process can be wiped away easily. My table has been stored outside for over 5 years now and it looks amazing and still supports my heavy portable wood-fired pizza oven. Folding tables, designed for high heat ovens, often with a stainless steel or aluminium top, provide portability and convenience. For example, I use a folding wood table and place a portable stainless steel top onto it to protect the wood. It also makes it easy to clean, especially if your table has gaps or an uneven surface. These tables are easy to set up and take down and are perfect for those who frequently move their portable pizza oven around. When folded, they take up minimal space, making them ideal for small areas or trips. And they are ideal for pizza enthusiasts who want a table they can take on the go, whether for camping, picnics or outdoor pizza parties. Commercial kitchen preparation tables with shelves and wheels are often used in professional kitchens, and they offer ample working space for preparing pizzas and organising tools and ingredients. They typically feature stainless steel tops with shelves underneath for extra storage. They have a large surface area for rolling out dough, organising your ingredients and setting up pizza making tools. The shelves underneath the table can hold utensils, firewood or gas canisters, keeping everything tidy and accessible. As they are built for commercial use, these tables can support heavy loads, including large portable ovens, and are very sturdy. They are ideal for serious pizza makers who want a dedicated pizza area with plenty of workspace and storage and offer good value for money. Some outdoor pizza enthusiasts opt for custom-built tables specifically designed to house their portable pizza oven. These tables can be made to fit your oven perfectly and include features like storage, cutting boards, and even built-in shelves for firewood or gas tanks. Their tailored design means they are built to meet your exact needs and the size of your specific pizza oven. The custom features can include extra functionality like storage, a place for pizza peels, and even side tables for your preparation area. They can also be very aesthetically pleasing and designed to match your outdoor setup, garden or kitchen area. They are ideal for enthusiasts with a long-term outdoor pizza station setup, where they want something both functional and visually appealing. Aluminium and powder-coated steel tables are also lightweight, making them easy to move around but still durable enough for outdoor use. They offer solid stability for holding the pizza oven and accessories. Choosing the right pizza table for your situation will enhance your pizza making experience by providing a safe, stable and practical workspace for using portable pizza ovens. I hope you found this video useful. Like it if you did, subscribe. Thanks for watching, take care, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.